Hi, my name is Hussain and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. And this is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Python. It's called the Personal Budget Tracker, a tool I created to make managing expenses simple and accessible for everyone. The tracker has four main features: adding expenses, enter the detail of any expense, date, category, and amount. Summary view, get a breakdown of your spending by category to see where your money is going. Visualizing expenses, creating a pie chart for a clear picture of your spending habits. Saving and loading data, save all your data to a CSV file and access it anytime. Let's see it in action. We start the program with Python project.py and it gives us a menu. To add an expense, we'll choose option one. The app asks for a date. Press enter to use today's date. Then a category like food or rent, and finally the amount. The app accepts numbers like 100 or formatted inputs like dollar sign 100. Once done, it confirms the entry. At any point, you can type M or menu to return to the main menu, or E or exit to exit the program. Now let's check out the summary feature. Choosing option 2 from the main menu shows a table with all expenses grouped by category and the total for each. At the bottom, you'll see the grand total. Next is the visualization feature. Choosing option 3 generates a colorful pie chart showing how expenses are distributed. For instance, the rent might take up half of your budget while food and entertainment are smaller portions. Finally, the program saves everything to a CSV file when you choose option 4. This data is accessible even after you close the app. In summary, the personal budget tracker is a simple yet powerful tool for managing expenses. It's built entirely in Python and uses libraries like Rich for styling and Matplotlib for visualization and CSV for data storage. Thank you for watching my demonstration. I hope you enjoyed learning about my project as much as I enjoyed building it. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Goodbye.